let's briefly talk about guides. So what I've created here are three different lines. One which is basically a bottom line, one that's about 12 foot tall, and then another top line. So the reason why I've created this is because let's say you wanted to make a bunch of 12-foot tall walls, I could use what's called a guide. Guides would also be really useful for orthographic projection lines because they're really easy to turn on and off, and they're not actually lines, they're just sort of there as a clickable guide. So what you would say is you would select the items, you would go to modify guides, make guide. And so you can see that it has this whole separate class style. Now if I wanted to make a bunch of 12-foot tall walls, I could just go between the two, tab over to the length, and so I could say 8 feet, enter, enter. Right now I've got a 12 by 8 flat, and I could just be working off of, and I could duplicate that, or I could make other ones. This would just be useful just as guidelines for the size of walls. This could be used for all kinds of things.